Hi, we're the Bakehouse Girls, and today we're making tomato tart. You will need 300 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 300 exactly, 150 grams of butter, cold and diced. How much butter do we need?
150 grams. Betty, try not to mush it. Do you need a knife or something? Go, Betty, go. Good, Betty. Needs to be in little cubes.
They're huge things. Betty cut it into a bit too big chunks. Not blaming you, Betty.
Okay, thank you.
125 mils of cold water. We didn't really have cold water, so we're gonna add a couple of ice cubes. And 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Can we mix?
This has been going for a couple of minutes, and as you can see, instead of having chunks of butter now, it's all kind of mixed through the flour.
Don't eat it, Betty. It's disgusting. I'm just feeling it. Now we're going to add the water. Ooh, satisfying.
Now we're going to mix really gently, just until it forms a ball.
Now we turn it off when it forms a ball.
Just gently, you don't want to work it too much. And then we'll refrigerate it for at least half an hour.
Big ball. Spray the tin now. Spray the table. It's important to do this so the pastry doesn't stick. Get one piece of baked paper and then put another piece on top and roll it instead of just putting it on the table. And Mo, he doesn't know really what's happening with the baking paper. How much more rolling do we have to do? It's almost done. The pastry is really big and the pan's really small. So you'll have to cut off the edges, trimming the edges a bit.
We're going to leave them hanging over while we bake it because the pastry will shrink, and then we'll trim it again after it's baked. That's annoying. Stop.
Just trim it a little bit, not too big.
Okay, boss. We've weighed down the pastry with some baking weights and baking paper.
If you don't have those, you can just use rice. We need to cook these on a low heat until they're really soft, which will take about 20 minutes, and I'm not mixing for 20 minutes.
Now the onion is nice and soft and golden, we're going to add 2 tins of tomatoes.
And the sauce too.
And the sauce. And we're going to cook it until it's thick for about another half an hour.
I'm going to turn it off and let it cool. Nice. Yummy. I'm going to put all of it into one bit.
And now spread it around evenly. Charlie, stop eating the cheese. Stop eating the cheese.
Now I'm going to put the olives on. Only on half a thing because we don't want olives. Hey, that's not really half. Now that it's half, yeah. No matter all the olives for you. The tomato tart in the oven. Looks like pizza. Looks very yummy. It's bubbling. Sizzling.
Okay, and we'll leave it to cool.
We're gonna taste test it, and then he's already tried it.
Looks good.
Cutlery's here. Yummy. Yeah. Delicious. Nice. Delicious. It is yummy though. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.